Hello YouTube. Let's check out another sealed auto rolled case. It is 2019 release 4 6 car set. Or does it say A or B? It should say A. Alright, B. There it is. Where it says AW64 whatever B. So we'll crack them all open. Already cracked open this case. I got it a couple weeks ago. Never pulled out any of the cars. There's still all the paper between them. I already had 2 of the cars that are in this case. So 2 of them will be up for like trade or sell, I guess. So I'm just going to reach in and pull them out. First one is a 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. Weird thing was, when I went to the store, this was the only one that was hanging on the pegs. It was the only auto rolled. And it's the first variation of the truck I found. So, I already had one. But it might be my favorite variation of it so far, so I do not mind having an extra one. Especially on a minty fresh card. And then next one is a 1975 Chevy Silverado C10 Fleet Side. Highly anticipated casting. They made 8,500 of them. Did not have this one. Looks really good in black. Of course, it has a opening hood and an opening tailgate. Tailgates on these shut perfect too. Highly detailed. Alright, the next one is a 1971 Dodge Dart GT, which I was thinking it's on my list, but I don't see it. So I do have it. But I must not have cracked it open yet. I don't think. I don't know. I have a auto roll list, and this is on it as being cracked. I'm gonna hold off on cracking this right now. But we do have the 1967 Ford Mustang GTA. Like Arcadian blue. Good thing about auto rolled, they tell you the exact color. No reason for guessing. Looks really good in this blue. And we have a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S in white with a gold stripe and gold interior. And the last one for this release would be a 1966 Oldsmobile F85, which this is a new tooling revision. Limited to 5,500. Big car. Of course, all these have opening hoods, metal base, rubber tires. Awesome detail. You know what? We're going to go ahead and open this Dodge Dart GT. I think I have it. I think I picked it up. I think it's in a weekly haul bag. I don't think I've cracked it yet. So we'll go ahead and crack it here. So we have all 6. Because I did open all 6 of the version A's. And I'm not sure if I released that video yet or not. So I'm not sure which video will be released first, A or B. But the B version is right here. It's like a metallic blue. Really nice looking. They did release it another time in like a blue like this. They're different color metallic blue. This has a white top. This one don't. Sorry about that. Tell you what, it's really hard to find a good tripod. All real flimsy and crummy. Definitely an awesome casting. And if you stay tuned to the end, we have a bonus. We got a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. This is release 4 version A. So the only difference between A and B versions is the color. So an ultra red, there's only one ultra red. And it sometimes A and B versions can have different license plates or different color interior or this or that. And that's what if this is this is identical, don't matter if it's on the version A card or version B card. It always has been identical. It doesn't matter what card variation you get. So if you're a loose collector like I am, you only need one variation. Because once it's open, it doesn't matter what card it came on. You can't tell. But if you're a carded collector, then you might want both variations. You just might want the white car variation and the black car variation. But it doesn't matter to me. Because I collect them loose. So that means I only have to go after half the Ultra Reds that there really are released. And I already cracked the Ultra Red for the F-150 from this series, or release. So all the Ultra Reds from this release have Ultra Red interior and white bases. The next release, they have white interiors. So here's a Ultra Red F-150. It was on the gray card, but it didn't matter if it was on the gray card or the blue card. It would have been the same with the red interior and white base. So let me know what you guys think of auto rolled. For me, it's easier just to buy the case when it's released. It's only 6 cars. They average like $5-6 a car. Especially if you buy the case when it first comes out. Because some cases recently with like the trucks and stuff, they get bought up pretty quick. And or people jack up the price on them pretty quick. So thought there was a little bit of a paint flaw on the front, but I think it's just a marker light or something. Some kind of decal. Well, that's all I got to show you today. Thanks for watching. And please leave comments. Bye.